A sunburst plot is ideal for displaying hierarchical data. This plot type was introduced in version 2022. A sunburst has multiple levels, which is represented here by the different rings, across which you can see how a category is split into contributing subcategories. The left graph is a basic sunburst plot. In the plot, each color represents one of the highest level categories. The right graph is a Colormap Sunburst plot. In the plot, the color of the wedges in the outer ring is mapped to their values. For categories and subcategories, which are the inner rings, the color is decided by the mean value of the category. Sunburst plots in Origin support Expand mode, which enables you to navigate the details of each category. Select the mini toolbar button to enter the Collapse Expand mode. Click the segment. The segment and its subcategory will be shown in a full donut. To prepare data for a sunburst plot, the last column should be data values, and all other columns are categories and subcategories. The category columns should be set as X. Highlight all the columns. Choose Plot, Categorical, Sunburst to create the graph. We can customize the graph with the mini toolbar, such as change the color, or widen the gap between rings. Or we can use the Plot Details dialog for further customization. Set the borderline to be whites. Change the font style of labels. We can select a percentage or its values checkbox to show them on the plots. Or set further style or information with Custom option. Clear the Association with Wedge checkbox before we close the dialog. Thus, we move the individual labels on the plots. To create a Colormap Sunburst plot, we can create a basic sunburst plot first. Then, map the color of the wedges to their values in the Patterns tab. Customize the color map further in the Color Map tab, such as setting more minor levels to make the colors change smoothly. Change the color palette. Customize the plot labels on the Labels tab. Set the font face, size, and color. Auto means automatically adjust the label colors according to the wedge colors. Make the labels tilt along the radical lines. Or we can create a Colormap Sunburst plot from an extended templates. Choose Menu, Plot, Template Library. Click the button to open Template Center. Origin provides a lot of extending templates. You can search and download them in the Template Center. Mouse hover on the icon so we can view the summary and preview graph of the templates. Download it. Then, find it in the template library and click the Plot button to create the graph. Once the graph is created, we can further customize it, such as displaying the labels outside the wedge.